G'day folks, Ben here. Thanks again for tuning in. Well, as we rip straight in, the auction clearance rates landed at 51% with just a little over 1,100 scheduled auctions going up for the week. Now, if we look back over the last couple of weeks, that's remained pretty consistent within that 50 to 54% clearance rate band, which is certainly showing some good signs of stability. Now, to construction, it's clearly well known that since COVID, construction costs have absolutely spiraled out of control, both from a mixture of supply shortages and also a limitation in available labour to get those jobs built. Now, CoreLogic's Cordell Construction Cost Index has recorded a sharp decline in the construction cost growth rate, and for the September quarter it landed at 0.5%. Now, this rate has been slowing since its peak of June 22, which was at 5.7%, and it slowed all the way down to the June quarter this year down to 1%. So to see a 0.5% growth rate in the construction cost index is certainly promising and pleasing, and probably adds to the reduction in some of those inflationary pressures that we're seeing out there, given that the cost of construction is certainly one of the big ticket items that the RBA is focusing on. Now, the other thing that's good to note is the supply chain issues, or the shortage of those supply elements, seem to have come to the end of their cycles, with most people recording that timber and steel have certainly come back to pre-COVID levels. In terms of cost, however, the big hiccup which is going to still plague most of the construction industry is the availability of skilled trades out there. With so many different projects out on demand, there are certainly a number of builders and construction companies all vying for such a small pool of available labour. Now, there is some expectations that heading into 2024, the limitation of the labour, or the available labour, is due to ease up with the very low volume of building approvals which have been forecasted. Now, as spring really kicks off with a bang, we've got a number of great properties coming out there onto the market. Make sure you reach out to the respective agents for those. And heading into next week, that's it for me. We hand the reins back to the word connoisseur. He's back with a fresh tan and a fresh do. That's it for me. Thanks again for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you out and about. Bye for now.